Okay, first we are going to meditate. Gently close your eyes. Make sure your body is comfortable on your cushion or chair. Wednesday evening, end of the day, after work, dealing with so many things, family matters, workplace matters. However, you came to the temple. We all need time to find some inner peace. This is your time. Therefore, in this moment, leave everything behind, all the worries, things to do tomorrow. In this hour, you cannot do those things. You cannot do things in future. You cannot do or you cannot worry about what happened. Please be here right now in this beautiful, serene place in front of the Buddha. Take few deep, long breaths and relax your whole body. Please do it 3 times. Big inhalation and big exhalation. Intentionally you are doing it. Let go. Think to yourself, I have a beautiful life. Even we have some challenges and difficulties. Life is us. Beautiful. Be grateful for your life. And also think to yourself, I have all the skills to make my life better and peaceful. I have tools for that. No need to look for them outside of you. They are here with you right now. Open your heart and mind to receive. Now send your loving thoughts towards yourself, thinking, I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. There are so many people in the world, your family. You are receiving so much love from them, attention from them. We can be grateful to that. But even you are having all the attention from other people, love from other people, that is not true, deep, real love or caring for your life. If you can truly paying attention to your inner heart, yourself, how you feel, how you understand about yourself, then taking care of yourself, that is the best love you can have in your life. So that's what we call the self-love. Your mother, your father, your brothers and sisters, your loved ones, they cannot give it to you, that love. You are the only one. If you receive that self-love, then it doesn't matter what is happening in life, what is happening in the world. You are truly prepared to enjoy this life. I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. Now send your loving thoughts towards your family. May all of my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Sometimes you may have some challenges with them. But this is the good moment to think of them differently, lovingly and mindfully. If they did something painful, understand they are imperfect human beings. Then ask yourself a question, am I perfect? I am not. So people do negative things because of ignorance. Is it possible for you to looking at those difficult family members in that manner and change your perspective about them? Send your loving thoughts instead of disappointment or anger. Bless them. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. Now send your loving thoughts towards whole world. May all living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. What do you see in the world right now? Lots of pain, miseries. Some people are dying because of COVID. Some people dying without oxygen. Look at our lives here, right now. Beautiful, grateful, being in a good place with some like-minded people. Practicing meditation, how powerful it is. Therefore, even we have some challenges and difficulties, think of them too heavily. See the beauty of this life and grateful, and send your loving thoughts towards the whole world. May all living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. Now slowly turn your attention to your breath, which means you are paying attention to your life. Every breath you take in, you take out, is taken mindfully. Focus on your natural, ordinary breaths. No need to put too much effort to do this. Just be, just sit, just breathe lovingly and mindfully. Paying attention moment to moment, what is happening in total way. No need to repress your thoughts. No need to control your thoughts. Let them come. Let them be. And let them go. Be a silent observer, observing what is coming, what is going. Accepting things as they are, not rejecting, not condemning. Now observe your mind, observe your body. Your body is relaxed, your mind is calm, tranquil and peaceful. Make a strong determination to practice every day. This is the only way you can find inner peace, inner joy and balance. May peace be with you. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. Please open your eyes. Anybody has any other items to bless? Please bring into this basket. Your mala beads or any jewelries or whatever, something if you have. Okay, put into this one. Thank you. Okay, now we are going to do blessing for you all and the whole world. And you can see so many items monks are prepared, and grains and mala beads, essential oil to bless, and also all your items you want to bless. So they are there. So what we are going to do now, we are going to use a different language for chanting. We call Pali. The language is not our language, so we are not born into this language. This is the language Buddha used for teaching. That's his language. We call them Magadhi, and now we call it Pali. The coming from Sanskrit. Okay, Sanskrit are the root of those languages. So when we are chanting, we know exactly what we are chanting, we know the meanings, but you don't. Right? So when we know the meaning, we are really focusing on about those meaning, what is the meaning of the chanting. And especially when we are doing chanting, we are chanting the qualities of human lives. So all the qualities we can practice, we call all the qualities of the Buddha, qualities of his teaching, Dharma, the qualities of the enlightened monks and nuns who follow this path and attain to the enlightenment. So then we are chanting, end of each chant, we are blessing to you. We go, may the power of these qualities and practices, may you be well, happy, healthy, and find healing and good energy in your life. That's what we are doing every chant. And also, these chantings are not mantras. Mantras and chantings are totally two different things. So the mantras, most of the mantras we are praising the God or the divine. Okay, in Hinduism, or especially in the Hinduism. So when we are doing the chanting, we are not praising the Buddha. We are not asking Buddha something material. So we are asking from Buddha, we are chanting these qualities. And when we are chanting these qualities, we are creating a good mental state. Okay? So especially when we are doing this chanting, there's a rhythm. Exactly, the rhythm is like an ocean wave. The way the waves are going, so that is the way we are chanting. It's like a lullaby. And so when you are doing that chanting, then it has a calming effect to our mind. So when we have that calm effect, definitely it will affect to your life, physical life, and healing, and those so many good things are happening. Now in the modern world, many people are believing the vibrations, like Vimala, the singing bowls, and lots of healing activities happening. All those healing activities actually coming from this chanting. It's lots of the healing effects into our life. So therefore, just focus on the rhythm because you don't know the meaning, and tuning into this good energy. Okay, so when we are chanting, monks are really focusing on it. If we are not focusing on it, we lose it. Because we are doing in memory, and so we will lose the tracks. And so that means we have to really focus on it when we are doing the chanting. So then we have the power of the Buddha, power of the Dharma, power of the enlightened monks, and also the power of all the monastic who are chanting here, and also power of your mind. And also we are believing in the Buddhist path, in the divine. Divine means not the capital God. So that means other beings somewhere in this universe. Maybe they were listening to the Buddha while Buddha was here in this world, because they have a long life. Maybe they are going to join with us, then they are putting their energies to us. So think about whole universe come together to heal our own minds and hearts and the bodies. That's how we are creating this positive energy to heal our mind and body. So therefore, please listen to the chant mindfully. Now monks are going to chant. End of the blessing, we are going to give the bracelet for everybody. Please close your eyes. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagava ara samma sambuddho viññācarana sampanno sugato vidu anuttaro purisa dhamma sarati santa deva සානං බුද්ධෝ භගවාති ස්වාක්ඛාතෝ භගවත ධම්මෝ සන්දිට්ඨිකෝ අකාලිකෝ ඒහි පස්සිකෝ නයිකෝ පංචන්තං වේදිතම්බෝ විඤ්ඤෝ ඉති සුපටි භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ උජුපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ සංඝෝ ඥායපටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ සාමීචි පටිපන්නෝ භගවතෝ ශාවක සංඝෝ චත්තාරි පුරිස යුගානි අන්ට පුරිස පුංගලායේස සංඝෝ ආහුනේයෝ පාහුනේයෝ දංකිනේයි අංජලි කරණීයෝ අනුත්තරම් පුඤ්ඤ කෙන්තං ලෝකං සාති ඒතේන ජවංජේන දුක්ඛා උපසමෙන්තු ඒතේන සංච වංජේන භයා උපසමෙන්තු ඒතේන සංච වංජේන රෝගා උපසමෙන්තු තේ ආනි භූතානි සමානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලිංගේ සම්බේව සුමනා භවන්තු අතෝපි සංකංච සුනන්තු බාසෙ තස්මායි භූතානි සමේත සම්බේ මෙත්තා කරෝත මානුසියා පජාය දිවාජ තෝච හරන්ති ඒ බලින් තස්මායි නිරංකත පමන්තායං කිංචි විත්තං ඉදවාහුරං වාසං සුවායං රතනම් පනීතං නනෝ සමං අන්ති තථා නයිදම්පි බුද්දේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒතේන සුවන්ති හෝතු විරාගං අමතම් පනීතං යදජ්ජගා සංඛ්‍ය මුනි සමාහිතෝ නතේන ධම්මේන සමන්ති චේදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනම් පනීතං ඒන සංචේන සුවන්ති හෝතු බුද්ධ සෙන්ටෝ පරිවන්නයි සුචින් සමාධිමාන තරිකඤ්ඤමාහු සමාධිනාතේන සමෝ විඤ්ජති ඉදම්පි ධම්මේ රතනා පනීතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවති හෝතු මංගලා අන්ට සතම් පසන්තා චන්තාරියේතානි නිහොන්ති තේ දංකිනේයා සුගතං සසාවක एतेषु दिन्नानि महाफलानि इदम्पि संगे रत्नं पनीतं एतेन चेन सुवन्ति होतु उपयुक्ता मनसा दल्हेन निक्कामिनो सनम्मीते पन्ति पन्ता अमतं विगाय लन्दमुदा निम्बुतिं भुञ्जमानायिदा संगे रत्नं पनीतं एतेन संचे सुवन्ति होतु दकिलो पटविंसितोऽसिया चतुम्बिवातेऽपि पकम्पियो ततुपमंसं पुरिसं वदामि यो सञ्चानि अवेच पंसति इदम्बे गे रत्नं पनीतं एतेन संचेन सुवन्ति होतु आर्य सञ्चानि विभावयन्ति गम्भीर येन सुदेशितानि किञ्चापि त्वयन्ति पमन्ता नते भवं अण्टमं आदियन् इदम्पि संगे रत्नं पनीतं एतेन चेन सुवन्ति होतु वंशदंसन सम्पदाय तयासु धम्मा जहिता भवन्ति संकाय दिण्डे किञ्चितं च शीलम्बतं वापि अदति किञ्चित् चतुःपाये च विम्पमुन्तो चाबिटानानि अबम्बोका इदम्पि संगे रत्नं पनीतं एतेन सुवन्ति होतु चापि शोकं करोति पापकं कायेन चा उदचेतसा वा अबम्बोसोता पटिच्चादाय अबम्बतादिण्ट पदा सवुन्ता इदम्पि संगे रत्न पनीतं एतेन संचेन सुवन्ति होतु पगुम्बे हता पुंसितंगे गिम्मानमासे पटमस्मिन् गिम्मे ततुपमा नम्म वरं अदेसाय निब्बानगामि परमं हिताय इदम्पि रत्नं पनीतं एतेन संचेन सुवन्ति होतु वरण्यो वरदो वराहरो अनुत्तरोदा वरं अदेसाय इदम्पि बुद्धे रत्न පනීතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති හෝතු පුරාණං නවං නත්ති සම්භවං විරන්ත චින්තා ආයතිකේ බවස්මින් තේකින බීජා අවිරුල්ලින් චන්දා නිම්බන්ති දීරා යතායම් පදීපෝ ඉදම්පි සංඝේ රතන පනීතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවති හෝතු නීද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි යානිව අන්තලිංගේ තථාගතං දේව සපූජිතං බුද්ධං නමස්සාම සුවන්ති හෝතු යානි භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වාය නිව අන්තලිංගේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං ධම්ම නමස්සාම සුවන්ති හෝතු යානිද සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තකේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං සංඝං නමස්සාම සුවති හෝතු ඒතේන සංච වංජේන දුංඛා උපසමින්තු තේතේන වංජේන භයා උපසමින්තු තේන සංච වංජේන රෝගා උපසමින්තු තේ කරණීය මන්ත කුසලේන යන්තං සන්තං පදං අபிසමෙන්ච සංකෝ උජුච සුජුච සුවචෝ චන්ස මුදු මානී සන්තුන්ස කෝච සුබරෝච අම්ප චෝච සල්ල උගවුන්ති සන්ති ද්‍රියෝච නිපකෝච අම්පග බෝකුලේසු අනනුගෙන්දෝ නචකුන්ද සමාචරේ කිංචේන විඤ්ඤෝ පරේ උපවදේයොන් සුඛිනෝවා කේමිනෝ හොන්තු සම්මේ සන්තා භවන්තු සුඛිතන්තා කේචිපාන භූතන්ති තසාවා තාවරාවා අනවසේසාදීගා වායේ මහන්තාවා මංජිමා රංසකානුකතුලාදින්ටාවා ඒව ඒච දුරේ වසන්ති අවිදුරේ භූතාවා සම්භවේසීවා සම්බේ සන්තා භවන්තු සුඛිතන්තා නපරෝ පරං නිකුම්බේත නාති මඤ්ඤේත Sinan kanci Biarosana Patiga sanya Nyamanyasa Dunka Minjaya Mata Yataniyam Puntang Ayusa Eka Punta Manurangke Vampisa Bhutesu Nasambhavaye Aparimanang Mettanca Sambha Manasambhavaye Aparimanang Uddha Adoca Tiriyanca Asambhada Averang Asapantan Tinta Charani Sinnoa Sayanoa Yavatansa Vigatamindo Eta Sating Adinteya Brahma Meta Viharang Idamau Dinte Ca Anupagamma Silvadansane Sampanno Kamesu Vinaya Gedang Naija Tugamba Seyang Punare Titi Etena Sanca Vajjena Dunga Upasamintu Te Etena Sanca Vajjena Bayavu Samintu Te Etena Rogavupasamintu Te Mahakaruniko Tohitaya Sambhapaninang Purentva Parami Sambhapanto Sangbodhimonta Etena Sanca Vajjena Otu Te Jaya Mangalan Jayanto Bodhiyamule Sankyanan Nandi Vandano Eva Tuyan Jayo Hotu Jayan Suja Mangalang Sankantva Buddha Ratana Osadang Uttamang Vara Hitan Deva Manusanang Buddhate Jena Sonti Nanan Santu Padava Sambe Dunga Upasamintu Sankantva Dhamma Ratanang Osada Uttamang Varam Parila Upasamana Dhamma Tejena Sontina Nan Santu Padava Sambe Baya Upasamintu Te Sankantva Sangaratanang Osadang Uttamang Vara Ahuneyang Pahuneyang Sangha Sondinanan Santu Padava Sambe Roga Upasamintu Te Jiratanang Loke Vijjati Vividha Putu Ratana දන්ද සමන්නන්ති තස්මා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ අංකින්චි රතන ලෝකේ විඤ්ජති විවිධා පුතු රතන ධම්ම සමන්නන්ති තස්මා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ අංකින්චි රතනං ලෝකේ විඤ්ජති විවිධා පුතු රතනං සංඝ සමන්නන්ති තස්මා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං බුද්ධෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සංච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සංච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං සංඝෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සංච වජ්ජේන හෝතු තේ ජය මංගලං සම්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සම්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතු මාතේ භවන්ත්වන්තරායෝ සුඛීති ගායුකෝ භව භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ බුද්ධානු වේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා භවන්තු තේ භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු දේවතා සම්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ දුක්ඛං පන්තාච නින්දුං භයප්පන්තාච නිම්බයා සෝක පන්තාච නින්සෝකා හොන්තු සබ්බේපි පානිනෝ ආකාසට්ටාච බුම්මට්ටා නාගමහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදින්त्वा චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටාච තා දේවානාගමහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදින්त्वा චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ටාච දේවානාගමහින්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදින්त्वा චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May peace be with you. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. Thank you very much. Okay, please. If you need any bless items after we done the blessing, personal blessing, you can take whatever you want. Then you can go and get. You can pay from the bookstore. Okay. So please come one by one. So come to each monk to get the bracelet. Please stand up. Please come. Whoever you are. Sabbe Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Sabbaso Sabbe Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Sabbi Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Sabbi Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Sabbi Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Sabbe Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbe Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Bandhami Sabbaso. Sabbe Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Buddha, come here. Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Buddha Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Balappata Paccekañcayam Balangarantanam Cecedena Rakkam Bandhami Sabbaso. Okay, starting Saturday, we are going to do. This month is the month of May, is the celebration of Buddha's life. So usually it's a very big month for the temple, but this year because of the COVID situation, we are not planning to do any big events like a parade, those kind of events. So therefore, I made the decision to give a little bit more information to people about the Buddha's life. So starting this Saturday, we are going to talk about Buddha's life story, stage by stage. Because many people who come to the temple, they are practicing the Dharma, practicing meditation, but they don't have good informational story about the Buddha. So, this Saturday we are going to start. Bhante Pemaratan is doing it, first one. And so please join. If you can join in person, please do it. If not, you can join on Zoom. What else? Anything else? No? Any questions? Anybody have any question to ask? All good? Did you enjoy the chanting? Okay, that's really good. So if you want to listen to the chanting, the recorded one, so you can go to the temple website, not the temple YouTube channel or my YouTube channel. Always we have those chanting, so you can listen at night when you are going to bed. Huh? Okay, on the also podcast. Okay. So thank you so much, everybody. Please stand up.